So let's try a video outside. I hope to not having too much noise, people or insect. Apparently not for today. I really think personality and identity are the two sides of the same thing, or inside and outside, or visible and invisible, or outside, physical, clothes, hairstyle, haircut, behavior, what we like, is the representation, the mirror, the reflection of what we are inside. We are what we like and what we do. We do what we are. That's why we can know if a person is authentic or not, if a person lie, when what the person say don't match with the behavior and facial expression, and the eyes, what is reflected on the eyes. The eyes are the mirror of the soul. How I discover that? By curiosity, I search the meaning of the name of an INTJ I watch on YouTube. I was intrigued because I find it's a rare name. That the meaning of his name matched perfectly with his preferred clothes. And also because we find the same pattern in clothing style of each personality type. I remember one day I watched by curiosity in a book of the name, the meaning of my name. I just remember that it means the truth, and I find now it corresponds well with the preferred function. Our parents sometimes have no conscience, they don't really know why they give us this name. I remember I had asking to my mother why she gave me this name, and she answered she didn't know. So I realized our first name and our name identity match well with our cognitive function, our personality, and by remember the name of the person I knew by the past during all my life, and the person I know, I realized that the person with the same name had the same personality type, or have certain function in common, or belong to the same group of personality who share the same function. Of course, a name can go with many personality types. The nickname, picture profile we choose reflect our personality type or cognitive function. We often can see ourselves in our favorite character we identify with. I know most of our decisions, actions are unconscious. Inside us, on the unconscious, we know everything. It's just we have no access to the information. That's surely why I often think the answer is in yourself. For the relation, connection, match between personality and identity, I will not give an example here. I think it will be too long because I have too much example. I will just put in the description a document, just my analysis. I noticed a sentence in a video about psychology. We like people who are like us, and I confirm I like people who are like me, the other INTJ. My past relationship were ESFP and ENTJ, same family of personality, exactly the same function as me. And I will add all that we like what we are what we like, and because two sides of the same thing, also we are what we can hate, and we are what we can fear. We can hate and fear what we are. Everything on the outside is a reflect mirror of what we are inside. I really think everything is related to the 8 function, the 8 energy, that all is connected. We just need to find the connection point, the same ID, the two sides of the same thing. So take care of yourself and have a good evening.